Today we're gonna be reacting to the best funny animal videos of 2020. Like this dog that seems to be laying down, and we're gonna have to figure out what it does. Oh, it's just gonna act like me? Okay.
What intonation?
I reminds me of a cow. What the heck? Yo! Oh my god, he's just oh my god. Look at her. Ah, that sounded painful though. Bro's just like, why? Oh my god, teamwork makes the dream work. Like, did you get it? No, he did not. Dude, it's always that cat. Like on another planet. Oh my god, no, it's so scary. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, make it stop. I want to take off my headset.
What the? Yo, this guy's.
Hello? Hello? Hi.
Oh no, you never pull up on a chihuahua like that. I don't care if it's a mix or nothing.
Hi, baby.
Oh! I knew it. When you're scared of your own talent. Okay, what are you gonna do?
Eat, Coco. Eat.
Eat, Coco. Eat. Yo, that food looks better than my food half the time. What are you Dude, this is the life. Jesus. Oh my god, dude has his number. Ah, that it looks satisfying to rip apart. I don't think I'd enjoy eating it. Is it gonna be copyrighted? It's not gonna be copyrighted. I'm gonna talk a lot for the next 10 seconds specifically. Okay, we're good. Bruh. Mistakes have been made. Bro. The fact that they're both too headstrong to wanna like back out of it too. That reminds me of me, not gonna lie. What was that? That was scary. Yikes. Oh my god! Holy! I think it'd be more impressive if he got out with no injuries.
Demi, you need to shoot the arrow. I really want it. He's gone! Look! He's gone!
He ain't coming back. You just lost a dog. Okay, that is one morbidly obese. Oh, it's Affleck. That dog looks just like Affleck. The fact that he didn't tip the bowl over when he like stepped on it. Oh my god, that duck is a goner. Bro. I'm thinking something else. What's wrong with me? Oh my god. When you're trying to X out the website when your parents walk in the room, but it won't X out. I hear from a friend that.
What are you doing?
Why'd the music stop? Oh, okay.
Oh, God.
This is Lumen, the first
so
device for
tired of
hacking
it.
your metabolism.
Okay. Mute. ad. Oh my god, that is adorable. I need a cat like that in my life. I need a cat that can tell me what it wants.
What?
I had a feeling it was gonna be I was gonna have a feeling it was gonna happen. I just didn't know why he would want it to happen. Dude, their limbs are so freakishly like. Get away from my treat. Dude, is it eating paper? What am I looking at? Why is he walking like that? Faces the shadow instead of the frisbee. That was a real cat moment, I'm not gonna lie to you. Don't kick dog's bone away, just don't. What am I watching? There's a dog, like, on the horn, isn't there? Hey! It had to be a dog. It had to be. The cat would, like, jump off or launch off the second it made the sound. Bro, no, I need to take a bite, like, immediately if there's food in my mouth. No, I know everyone loves huskies. They look so scary when their eyes are just open like that. Sheesh.
Henry.
Bro.
Are you kidding?
Oh, my
Henry,
fiance.
no!
Helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick us up one little kernel at a time.
I
don't like it because I'm fed up with your bull.
Oh, you know
I'm
what?
gonna be a horrible father one day because of you.
This channel can't be family. I guess I'm censoring it. Channel has to be family friendly. Dude, are you serious? I couldn't. Oh, I really couldn't with that one. Nah, that dog's getting dropped off somewhere. There, that's what the dog's getting dropped off. Oh, what am I watching? Oh my god, dude. Oh no, oh no. No wonder it's next to the sink. Dude, you're not a dog. What am I... Dude, calm down. This other dog knows what's up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Still. Yo, that dog gonna choke, low-key. Dude, I wish my dog ate that fast. Was like that enthusiastic. Like, he'll eat. But like, you know what? Maybe I don't. I don't want the dog to choke either. I can't even see it! Okay, the Roomba touched the back of the dog, and then that happened. I couldn't even see it because that video freaked me. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe. Bye!